Okay, so for today's math activity, you're actually going to be taking your chapter test. So this test is going to be on all of chapter 6, and it's just going to be the chapter review pages that are in your book. So if you can turn to page 523, you're going to start on the vocab check side, okay? So it's this side of the page, okay? You're not doing 522. So you are doing 523, 524, and 525. And again, it's from all of chapter 6, so you may have to go back in some lessons or in the glossary to find these vocab words. These first 6, 7, 8, 9 questions should be pretty much a giveaway. It should give you 9 points because you're able to look in a glossary, you're able to look back in the lessons, you have to make sure that the letters fit, make sure that it crosses with letters that fit, okay? If it doesn't, obviously, then you have the wrong word there. So please take your time doing this. This should just give you an easy 9 points. On the next page, on page 524, okay, you'll notice that there's the key concept check at the top where it says use your foldables. That we're not going to need to do, so you can kind of just put an X through that or just leave it blank. You do not have to do the foldables at the top, but you are going to do the 5 questions at the bottom where it says got it. All you have to do is circle the correct term or number to complete this sentence. Okay, so you're just going to read numbers 1 through 5, and you're going to circle the correct answer choice. And again, feel free to look back in the book if you're unsure. The last few questions that you're going to do are numbers 1 through 7, the problem solving. So this is going to be the last page that you do. And these come from all different lessons in chapter 6. I'm going to tell you what the lessons are so that it's easier to find right now. So for question number 1, we learned about that in lesson 1. So if you want to write this down, question 1 is lesson 1. Question 2 is lesson 2. Question 3 is lesson 3. Questions 4 and 5, both 4 and 5, are going to be from lesson number 4. So they gave you 2 questions from lesson number 4. Question number 6 is about inequalities, which is going to be lesson number 5. And number 7, writing and solving inequalities, that's going to be from lesson 7 that we most recently learned. Okay, so that should kind of help you to flip back to the correct pages if you're confused about what you should be doing in each problem. Although we've learned all of these, if you know them without flipping back, that's fine. If you need to flip back, now you know what lessons they're on. Okay, please make sure that you get this test done as soon as possible and submit these 3 pages to me.